In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design sportsman poster in Canva. We'll start quickly, then add the right edits, text, and a bold gradient so your athlete really pops. Open Canva and choose a poster template that matches the vibe you want. Clean, modern layouts work great for sports. With the template open, head to the Uploads panel and bring in your sports image. Drag it onto the canvas, reposition it to frame the action, and resize it until the composition feels balanced. Keep an eye on the edges so nothing important gets cropped. Select the image and click Edit, then open Filters. Choose See all to browse options and apply a filter that enhances contrast and clarity. If the filter supports tinting, adjust the filter color to complement your team or brand colors without overpowering the photo. Add your headline text and place it where it supports the image, often near the focal point, but not covering the subject's face. Change the font to a bold, athletic style for impact, then set the text color for strong contrast against the background. Resize the text so it's legible from a distance. Make any necessary adjustments to spacing and placement, then center it using Canva's smart guides for a clean, professional look. Duplicate the text to create a second line, place it neatly under the headline, and align them so the edges match. Duplicate another text layer for additional details like a tagline or location, and adjust its size or weight to create hierarchy between your lines. Return to Uploads and insert the same athlete image again. Open your Layers panel and bring this new image to the front. Resize it to fit the composition, then use Background Remover to cut out the subject so the athlete sits cleanly above the design, creating depth and focus. Now go to Elements and search for Gradient. Click See All, then insert a gradient graphic that matches your style. Resize it to fill or accent the background as needed. Change the gradient colors to match your palette and reinforce the poster's theme. Adjust the gradient's angle and position to guide the viewer's eye toward the subject and headline, and resize again if you need a stronger or softer effect. Throughout, make sure the isolated athlete remains on top so the subject stands out crisply against the gradient and text. And that's your sportsman poster, clean, bold, and ready to share.